Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you candy apple recipe in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just cooked candy apple in Grow a Garden, and finally I could unlock a new recipe, the candy apple recipe on my recipe book, and I'm going to show you guys the recipe for candy apple. Okay, this is for the known recipes. For the apple, you will need apple, sugar apple, and green apple. And then for the candy coating, you can use these fruits: peach, grape, raspberry, sugar apple, pear, blueberry, watermelon, mango, crown melon, strawberry, spiked mango, moon melon, and pineapple and banana. You can combine all those fruits, and then you will be able to get candy apple and grow a garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.